I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here today. How are you, Emily?
I'm doing great, Paul. I'm a little hungry, though.
Hungry? That is perfect for our topic today.
Yes, it is. Today, we are going to talk about something delicious. We are talking about food.
My favorite topic. We will talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and our favorite foods. It will be fun.
It will. But first, a small message for you, our wonderful listeners. Please subscribe to our channel, give this episode a like, and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Your support is amazing. Okay, Emily, you are hungry. Let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast.
Great idea. Breakfast is so important. So, Paul, what do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast. I like to have something simple. I usually have bread with cheese.
Oh, bread and cheese. That's nice. Do you drink anything?
Yes, of course. I drink coffee. Black coffee. No sugar.
Wow, black coffee. Strong. I like coffee too, but with milk and a little sugar.
Yes, I need the strong coffee in the morning. What about you, Emily? What do you eat for breakfast?
I like to have eggs, scrambled eggs, and toast.
Eggs are a great breakfast. Very healthy. Do you have juice?
Yes, I love orange juice. Fresh orange juice is the best.
I agree. Orange juice is delicious. Sometimes on the weekend, I have a big breakfast.
Ooh, a big weekend breakfast? What do you eat?
I eat pancakes with fruit, like bananas or strawberries.
Pancakes. That sounds so good. I love pancakes too, with a little honey.
Yes, honey is perfect with pancakes. So good. So, my breakfast is bread, cheese, and coffee. Your breakfast is eggs, toast, and orange juice.
Exactly. And sometimes if I am in a hurry, I just eat a banana or an apple.
A piece of fruit is a good, fast breakfast. That's a very healthy choice.
Yes, fruit is always a good idea. Okay, so after breakfast, a few hours later, it's time for lunch.
Lunch, yes, in the middle of the day. Are you a big lunch person, Emily?
Yes, I am. I get very hungry around 1 p.m. Lunch is my main meal.
Mine too. I think for many people, lunch is the big meal of the day. So tell me, what is a typical lunch for you?
Well, I like to have rice and beans. It's a classic.
Oh, rice and beans are fantastic. Very popular. What do you eat with the rice and beans?
I usually have some chicken, grilled chicken, and a big salad.
A salad. That's great. What is in your salad?
I like simple salads, lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, with a little olive oil.
That sounds very healthy and very delicious. A perfect lunch.
Thank you. What about you, Paul? What do you eat for lunch?
I also like chicken, but sometimes I have fish. I love grilled fish with lemon.
Oh, fish is a great choice. Very good for you.
Yes, it is. And I also eat a lot of vegetables. Carrots, broccoli. I love vegetables.
Me too. Vegetables are so important. They are full of vitamins.
Exactly. My mother always said, eat your vegetables.
My mother too. It's good advice. So, for lunch, we have chicken or fish with rice, beans, and a lot of salad and vegetables.
That's a great summary. A very balanced meal. It gives you energy for the afternoon.
Yes, it does. Okay, the day continues. It's the evening now. Time for dinner.
Dinner time. Is your dinner big or small, Emily?
My dinner is usually small, lighter than my lunch.
I see. That's a good idea. What do you like to eat for dinner?
I often have soup. A vegetable soup is warm and nice in the evening.
Soup is a wonderful dinner, especially when it's a little cold. What kind of vegetables are in your soup?
Carrots, potatoes, celery, many different kinds. It's very easy to make.
That sounds lovely. I like soup too. Tomato soup is my favorite.
I love tomato soup. With a piece of bread, it's perfect.
Yes, exactly. Sometimes for dinner, I have pasta.
Pasta. Everyone loves pasta. What kind of pasta do you like?
I like spaghetti with tomato sauce, a simple, classic dish.
You can't go wrong with spaghetti. It's always good. Do you put cheese on it?
Of course, lots of cheese. It makes it extra delicious.
I agree. Cheese makes everything better.
So true. What about on Friday nights? Do you cook dinner on Fridays?
Good question. On Fridays, I am often tired from the week, so sometimes I order pizza.
Aha! Pizza night! I love pizza night. What is your favorite pizza topping?
I like a simple pizza, cheese and tomato, a margarita pizza.
A classic choice. Very good. I'm a little different. I like pepperoni on my pizza.
Pepperoni is very popular, I understand. Pizza is a great food for sharing with friends.
It is. It's a fun food. Okay, so we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But what about the time between the meals?
You mean snacks?
Yes, snacks. When you are a little hungry, but it's not time for a full meal. Do you eat snacks, Emily?
I do. I try to have healthy snacks. I usually have a fruit, like an apple, or maybe some yogurt.
An apple is a perfect snack. Yogurt is great too. Very good choices.
Thank you. What about you? What are your go-to snacks?
I also like fruit. A banana is very easy to eat, but sometimes I want something sweet.
Me too. What do you eat?
I sometimes have a cookie or two.
A cookie. I love cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite.
Yes, chocolate chip, the best kind. But just one or two, it's a treat.
Yes, a treat. Not every day. It's important to have a balance. Healthy food and sometimes a small treat.
I agree completely. Balance is key. So we have healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. What are some of your favorite fruits?
I love strawberries. They are red and sweet. I also love watermelon in the summer. It's so refreshing.
Oh, watermelon is amazing on a hot day. So juicy. I am a big fan of mango.
Mango is delicious. A very tropical fruit. So sweet.
It is. And for vegetables, I really like broccoli. I know some people don't like it, but I think it's great.
I am with you, Paul. I like broccoli too. And I love carrots. They are sweet and crunchy.
Carrots are great. Good for your eyes, they say.
Yes, that's what they say. Okay, we talked about food. Now, let's talk about drinks.
an important part of any meal. We mentioned coffee and juice for breakfast. What do you drink during the day?
I drink a lot of water. It's so important to drink water.
Yes, water is number one. I always have a bottle of water with me. It's so healthy.
It is. What about other drinks? Do you like tea?
I do. Sometimes, in the afternoon, I have a cup of green tea. It's very calming.
Tea is very nice. I like herbal tea in the evening before I go to sleep, like chamomile tea.
Oh, that's very relaxing. What about soda? Like cola or lemonade?
I drink soda sometimes, maybe at a party or with a pizza, but not every day. It has a lot of sugar.
That's a good point. It's a treat, like cookies or cake. It's nice sometimes, but water is better for every day.
Exactly. Okay, Paul, now for a big question. Are you ready?
I think so. What is it?
What is your all-time favorite food in the whole world?
Wow, that is a big question. My favorite food. There are so many good foods.
I know. It's hard to choose just one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is my mom's lasagna.
Oh, that's so sweet. Homemade food is always the best.
It is. Her lasagna is just wow. It's so delicious. I love it. What about you, Emily? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food, I think it is sushi.
Ooh, sushi. A very different choice. That's interesting.
Yes, I love the fresh fish and the rice. There are so many different kinds. It's beautiful and it tastes so good.
I like sushi too. It's very light and healthy. That's a great choice.
Thank you. It's fun how we have different favorite foods.
It is. Everyone has different tastes. That makes food interesting.
That's so true. Now, Paul, I have an idea. Let's pretend we are at a restaurant.
Ooh, a role play. I love it. Okay, where are we?
We are at a nice, friendly restaurant. I am the customer. You are the waiter.
Perfect. I can do that. I will be the best waiter. Ready?
I'm ready.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. A table for one?
Hello. Yes, a table for one, please.
Right this way. Here is your menu.
Thank you very much. Everything looks so good.
Can I get you something to drink to start?
Yes, please. Can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course. 1 glass of water. Are you ready to order your food, or do you need a minute?
I think I am ready. I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
An excellent choice. The grilled chicken is very popular. Anything else for you?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Great. Your food will be ready soon. Enjoy.
Wow, Paul, you are a natural waiter.
Laugh. Thank you. It was fun. But did you see? It can be simple to order food.
Yes. Let's talk about that. When you order, you can say, I would like, or can I have?
Exactly. I would like the chicken. Or, can I have the soup, please? The word please is very important. It's polite.
Very important. And when the waiter asks, are you ready to order? You can say, yes, I am. Or, no, I need another minute, please.
That's perfect. It shows how you can use simple English in a real situation, like a restaurant.
It does, and it's not scary. People in restaurants are usually very happy to help you.
That's right. They want you to have a good experience. So it's okay if your English is not perfect. Just smile and be polite.
Great advice. A smile is a universal language.
It is. Wow, Emily. Talking about all this food is making me hungry again.
Me too. We talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We talked about fruits, vegetables, and snacks.
And our favorite foods. And how to order at a restaurant. That was a lot of delicious information.
It was. Food is such a fun topic because everyone loves to eat.
Exactly. You can have great conversations with people just by asking, "What is your favorite food?"
That's a wonderful way to start a conversation and make a new friend.
It is, and it's great practice for your English. You can learn new words for different foods.
Yes, like lasagna and sushi. Now we know each other's favorite foods.
We do. This was a really fun episode, Emily. I enjoyed it.
I did too, Paul. I hope our listeners are feeling hungry and ready to practice their English.
I'm sure they are. Well, our time is almost up for today.
Yes, it is. But before we go, we want to say a big thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope you had fun learning about food with us. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel so you don't miss our next episode.
And please share this podcast with your friends. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up.
And we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what is your favorite food?
Ooh, yes. We would love to read your answers. It will be so interesting to see what everyone likes to eat.
It will be great. Okay, that's all for today. Until next time, keep practicing.
And have fun learning English. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.